Let's design a version of this Mama Easter shirt. First, I want to figure out which shirt we're going to be designing for. I selected one from Printify, so our canvas size needs to be 4200 by 4800 pixels. I'm designing this in Canva. I found these frame letters by Spark Stroke, and I'm just duplicating them, grouping them together, so then I can create the word mama. I'm resizing it down just a little bit, and what's cool about frames is they work super well with patterns. So once you find an image that you like, either a pattern or a photo, you're just going to hold it over the frame letter and then drop it in. I got these bunny frames from Creative Fabrica, and I added the same pattern to the bunny. And this is going to be the little bunny that's going to go on the sleeve. So I'm giving it the baby name on here in the same color as the design, and I'm saving both with a transparent background as a PNG file. You're going to upload them onto your sweatshirt. This sweatshirt allows sleeve printing, so I'm putting this on the left sleeve, sizing it in right there, and this is our final sweatshirt. I also did it in pink too. So cute.